Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly remove a Sharkbite fitting like this or like this from a piece of pipe. Let's get started. This here is a Sharkbite removal tool, and it's just a little horseshoe shaped tool that you can fit around the pipe, and then you're just going to remove by putting some even pressure and pulling against the little rubber ring behind the Sharkbite fitting. Typically you'll have to wiggle it just a little bit, but applying even pressure on that ring is what will pull it off. And here you can see I was able to remove mine in just a few seconds. After removing the stop cap, I'm going to be installing a quarter turn Sharkbite shutoff valve on this same pipe. And to do so, I'm just prepping the pipe by wiping it off and then using this deburring tool that Sharkbite sells to deburr and then mark with a pencil the depth that the new fitting needs to go on the pipe. So when I install the new fitting, that pencil line is the point that I need the rubber fitting on the Sharkbite to go up to. And here you can see I'm installing the new fitting just by pushing on the pipe. But if you are installing one like this, make sure to install your escutcheon plate before you put the fitting on, unlike me, and I made that mistake here. And before you turn your water back on, just make sure you have this turned to the off position. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. I really hope that you found it helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.